morning, children. I hope all are fit and fine. Today, we will study EVS lesson number 4, Houses we live in. So children, what is a house? It is a place where we live. So, why do we need a house? To protect us from heat, rain, wind and storm. Okay? Now children, when you visit your friends, your relatives or neighbors, do you find that they have same type of house as you have? No. Because people live in different types of houses. Okay? Houses can be of different shapes, sizes and can also be made up of different materials. So children, now you know that what are the materials used in building a house? Normally we use bricks, cement, wood, iron. Okay? And the houses which are built using these materials are very strong. And so they are called as Pakka houses. Okay? You can even make multiple stories on that. Cities have apartments. It is a multiple storied building. In that, several flats are there. Okay, where many families can stay in a single building. Okay, and children, in big cities, you will find a multi-storied building which may even have 100 stories. Okay, and such a building is called as skyscraper. So, now we come to a kacha house. There are some houses which are made using wood, hay, twigs, bamboo, leaves, etc. They are not very strong. Okay, so they are known as kacha houses. There are various other types of kacha houses also. Now, I will tell you that. So children, houses are made according to the climatic condition of the place. For example, first one is stilt houses. So, in areas with heavy rainfall, there if we build normal houses, you know what will happen? Water will get inside the house and everything will get wet. That is why over there houses are built on stilts so that water cannot get inside the houses. Okay, and they have sloping roofs. Now we come to second type of house. Children, at very cold places, no, you will find very unique type of houses. They are made using hard blocks of ice. Yes, and they are called as igloos. They are usually dome shaped and the people who live in that are called as Eskimos. Okay? Now another very unique kind of house is there which instead of road you'll find it in water. Yes, houseboats. So these houses are built on boats. And children, people living in that, they have all the facilities which we have, no? They also have all the facilities present in that house. So tourists, they love to stay in a houseboat. In India, we usually find houseboats in Kashmir or Kerala. Now children, do you know that there are some people who stay in one place for a very short time? And so, they live in tents. Tents are very lightweight. Okay, it can be carried anywhere. So, who use tents, children? Soldiers, picnic campers, even mountaineers use tents. They are easy to carry, no? That is why they use tent to stay. Then children, tents are made up of canvas and poles. It can be fixed to the ground anywhere. Okay? Now we move on to another kacha house. Now children, there are some people who keep moving from one place to another because of scarcity of food or water, or maybe due to work, or due to extreme climatic condition. So children, if they stay in permanent houses, will it be possible for them to carry their houses with them? No. So that is why they build houses on wheels. These kinds of houses are called as caravans. So you can drive the whole house and take it to a new place. Now children, as we have discussed different types of houses, now we are going to read the chapter. So take out your EVS books, open page number 23, chapter number 4, Houses We Live In.